Hello, how you doing? Look, you're looking at here steamed chicken. So it's a whole chicken skin on bone in. We're going to steam this with ginger and lemon. It's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what I've got there is one chicken. That was a 1.1 kg chicken, just over 2 pound, maybe 2.3 pound. What I've done is I've cut it in half, but to cut it in half, I spatchcocked it, which means I cut that much, 2 fingers of the backbone out, so it just flips over nicely. As you can see, it looks like so. So just to let you know, obviously the skin is on and the bone is in on all of that chicken. We're going to add 1 cup of water. We're going to add 1 cup of lemon juice, salt and pepper, about a teaspoon, tablespoon chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons ginger. You can see I've kind of just cut that up into thin strips. Just going to give that a little mix with my hand. What we're going to do now is put some plastic wrap on that, or cling film, or shrink wrap, whatever you call that. That's going to go in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Overnight is fab. Okay, so I left my chicken overnight actually, so it was 6 or 7 hours. What we're going to do now is separate all of the liquid and the chicken. Okay, so you're going to need a large pot or something that fits your steamer. I've got a bamboo steamer like so. You can use a metal one or something if you want. In there I've got 3 cups of water. Here I've got 4 star anise. In they go. We're going to drop in the ginger water that we had. Now we're going to move on to the steamer. So the bottom half of my steamer is now on top of the water and the pan. You can see that I've sliced some lemon there. What we're going to do is we're going to take our chicken and we're going to put it on top of those lemon slices. I mean, that adds flavor and also stops it sticking to the actual steamer. Right, we're going to put that on a medium heat for 30-35 minutes, obviously with the lid on. This whole room smells absolutely amazing. Okay, the chicken's done. It's really juicy. You can see, steamed to perfection. So job done. Now you can use that in different ways. You can chop it up, stir fry it, do what you want with it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to chop it, serve it on a plate, just add a little bit of soy sauce. Really lovely. So I've got a light soy. You can use dark if you want, which is a bit thicker, but I just think the light's really nice. Add as much or as little as you like to that. Beautiful, really beautiful stuff. So just finish that off with some green onions, a little bit of sesame seed. Beautiful. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.